In this video I'm going to show you how to remove password on your App Store. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and there hit on your name. Now there tap on Media and Purchases, hit on Password Settings. And now there you can select between two options. It calls always require password and require after 15 minutes. So if I'll select the second one, I will be able to download free apps without entering my passcode or without using my Face ID in 15 minutes after I logged in. And now all I have to do is to enter my Apple ID password. And now password will be required just after 15 minutes after you log into your App Store. That's how it works. Make sure you like this video if it helped you out and don't forget to subscribe.